In this video I'm going to show you how to enable Siri on your iPhone. That is quite simple and easy to do, so let's begin. And to bring up Siri, to open it up, you need just to tap and hold on your power button like that, and Siri is appeared if it's turned on. Now my Siri was turned off for that video, and to enable it I need just tap here on turn on Siri, and now you see that Siri was turned on. Now if I again tap and hold on power button, I see that Siri was just appeared. And there is another way to turn Siri on through your settings. You can open up your settings and there scroll down until you find Siri and search, and here you got a bunch of different options to adjust Siri on your device. And here you got bunch of different options to set up Siri on that device. You can select allow or not allow Siri when locked, language, Siri voice, Siri responses, and so on. And to disable Siri, if you want that, you need to tap here on that option, press side button for Siri and confirm this action by tapping on turn off Siri. That's how it works, guys. Make sure you like this video and don't forget to subscribe.